Hi students, and welcome to Writing 5 at Harper College, Spring 2021. If you're my continuing student who I've taught in another class, welcome back. And if you're a new student, welcome to Writing at Harper College. We're so happy that you're here. And I encourage everyone to watch this video because Writing 5 is different from other classes. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about an overview of our class and the syllabus, as well as the Blackboard site. And there'll be another video that shows you what to do specifically during the first week of class. So I'm going to start by talking about the syllabus, which you'll be able to find on Blackboard, and I'll show you in a minute. So you can see here some general course information that our class will meet from January 19 to May 21 of 2021. Our meeting times are Tuesday 11 to 12, and our sessions will be recorded if you can't attend. I will also add probably at an afternoon or evening session that I'm asking you to vote about. We will be meeting this time in WebEx, which is a free app. This is the link that you'll be able to follow to join the meeting. Every time it will be the same link. It might ask you to install something on your computer or add something to your web browser the first time that you do it, but it should be absolutely free. If you ever have any problems, you can join by phone at this phone number and use this access code. Our class is online. We won't meet face-to-face at all. The last day to drop and receive your money back is January 25. That's next week, Monday. And the last week to withdraw, which means you still have to pay, but you get a grade of W, is April 26 of 2021. Here's my name, Kathleen Reynolds. It's okay for you to call me Kathleen. You can call me at my office number. It rings on my computer at home. You can also text me. If it's easier for you to text me, you can join my text service. I don't send out texts, but I will reply to your texts. So if you want to join me on Remind, you can do that here. This is my email address, and that's the best way to reach me. These are the hours that I will be available, so you can always make an appointment with me to meet me, and I will meet you on WebEx. You can see my cat joining in the video. No children yet, but we'll see. So email or text is probably the best way to reach me. The second page of your syllabus has a lot of important information about the class, and I want to just highlight the main things we'll be focusing on during class. We will learn to write 2 styles of essay: argumentation and cause and effect. So it's really 3: cause, effect, and then argumentation. And we will practice using clear, comprehensible language use, which means sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary, interesting content, and clear organization. So those will be the main things that we will be practicing. So sometimes we will write during a time limit. So during a 2-hour or 90-minute time limit, we will write essays. Those we write very quickly. It's like a test. You find out the topic, you write it, and then you turn it in. So I'll show you exactly how to do that and what's the best way to do it. Sometimes we'll write at home. So when we write at home, we write over a period of 2 weeks or sometimes 3 weeks. You turn in a draft to me and I give you feedback, but it's something that you take a lot of time on and have more time to practice. Okay? We do expect you for this class to be able to access Blackboard and submit assignments on a computer. If that's new to you, I will help you, but you will need to be able to figure it out. I will explain everything from the beginning. There are no materials required for this class because we will use open educational resources, which means there's no book. I will ask you to pay $5 for an online grammar program that I will ask you to use. But if that's a problem for any of you, I will be able to help you. Harper has a lot of help for students. You can borrow Chromebooks from Harper College. You can borrow Wi-Fi hotspots from Harper College, following this link. That's the cat. And you can also download software for free, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So you see all that information here. Okay, a little bit about the grading for this class. Like I said, some grading will be based on the at-home writing. That's the writing we do over 2, 3, 4 weeks. Some will be based on the timed writing. That's the writing we do quickly in 2 hours. You'll also have editing quizzes. We will have quizzes almost every week, short quizzes almost every week, and we will have homework. Homework might be journals, discussion boards, editing practice, or any other homework. So you can see that the biggest percentage of your grade comes from that timed writing. And that's because our goal in this class is to get you to be able to write not just correctly over a long time, but a little faster too. And the second most important one is the at-home writing. And that really trains you and gets you ready for the timed writing too. This is the grading scale for the whole ESL department. 93 to 100 is an A, and a B is 85 to 92. So to pass this class and move on to English 101, you do need a grade of B, 85% or higher in this class and in Reading 5, ESL 073, if you also have that requirement. So I will always give you feedback in Blackboard and during in-person conferences. We'll have lots of times to meet individually, one-on-one, during the semester when I can help you. If you are late with an assignment, you need to make it up within 1 week and have a 10% deduction in grade. That means I cannot accept all your late materials at the end of the semester. You need to get it in within 1 week late. If you ever miss anything, make sure to email me right away. I have a note on here that we are still experiencing a global pandemic, and there is a lot of stress and problems happening in the world. So I want you to know that I'm here to support you. If I need you to communicate with me, you don't always have to tell me every detail, but you need to give me an idea of what's happening for you. If you stop communicating with me, I cannot help you. If you stop communicating with me, I cannot help you. So if you communicate with me, I will do my best to help you and answer as soon as possible. I expect you to attend online sessions. If you cannot, I will post the videos that are available afterwards. We have some information here about how to behave in class, and the most important part is about academic honesty. Academic honesty means we cannot copy work from online or from other students, okay, or other sources. So I will give more information about this as we work on our assignments, but it's something that's very important for you to remember. The rest of our syllabus has a lot of resources that are available to help you, like the library, the writing center, tutoring center, counseling. Harper College has many, many resources for you. So please take some time to look at those. Finally, we have our schedule for the class that tells us what we will do each week, when activities will be due, and what we will do for writing in English, which is our grammar program. So let me go, so you can see some of the assignments, but the easier way to see them will be on Blackboard. So I'm going to quickly go over a little bit about the Blackboard site for this class now. So when you open the Blackboard site, you see the banner and announcements, which I will also usually send by email. However, this announcement about communication stays here because it tells you easily how to email, text, or get into the meetings with me. So that's under announcements. Syllabus and schedule has the document that I just showed you, as well as this video. WebEx meetings will have the link to our online meetings. And also I will post the class recordings here after we have the meetings. Okay, so I'll talk a little bit more about that during week 1. Course materials provides resources that you can use every week. So for example, how to submit assignments on Blackboard, how to see your feedback on Blackboard, how to use WebEx, okay, how to post to a discussion board. We have so many different resources here. So please go ahead and use this and look at this to see what information is important for you. Here is the Meet Your Classmates section. So we're going, you can see my introduction here, but you will also be able to see your classmates' introductions when they are posted, and that's a week 1 assignment that I'll talk about then. Again, you have my contact information and my picture again. Just so you know, it's very easy to find me in different ways. Okay, learning modules. Week 1 is where most of our work will be. So I'm going to make a special video that will be in here. It's not there yet, but it will be right at the top to show you how to do the week 1 assignments. This is the discussion board where some of our homework will be posted, and I'll make a video before we have that homework. The resources area shows you different topics that we study in class and gives you extra practice. So for example, if you wanted to study articles, a, an, or the, you could click here and you would see a bunch of different practice activities. Okay, the other really important thing for you to look at would be My Grades, and that's where you'll see a list of all your grades and feedback for this class. So that's the information about the syllabus and the Blackboard site. Thank you for watching, and now you can go ahead and go to Learning Modules and Week 1, and then watch the video that will be there to explain how to get started and how to do your assignments for the class. I'm really looking forward to meeting you, to working with you this semester. So thanks for getting off to a great start. Bye.